In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail tabs effectively. If you're looking to optimize your email organization and make your inbox more efficient, then you're in the right place. Let's get started with setting up your Gmail for maximum productivity. First, we'll start by opening your Gmail. Simply navigate to your preferred web browser and type in Gmail's URL, or click on the Gmail bookmark if you have one saved. This will bring you to your Gmail inbox where you can view all your emails and get started with customization. Once you have Gmail open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find what we call the gear icon, which stands for settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This will prompt a drop-down menu offering you a range of quick settings for Gmail. However, for our task today, we need to dive a bit deeper, so click on See All Settings. With the settings menu open in front of you, locate the Inbox tab at the top. Clicking on this tab will lead us to the area where we can tailor our email sorting preferences. When you arrive here, look for the section labelled Inbox Type. Selecting Default in this section is our next step. This choice will activate Gmail's default tab setup, neatly categorizing your incoming emails into primary, social, promotions, and more if desired. Now move on to the categories section just below. Here you'll see several boxes for different categories such as social, promotions, updates, and forums. By checking the boxes next to these categories, you'll be choosing which tabs will appear in your inbox, helping you segment your emails according to their type. This can really streamline how you sift through daily messages. Once satisfied with your category selections, make sure to scroll all the way down and click on Save Changes. This crucial step will ensure all your tweaking efforts are preserved and applied to your Gmail interface. Next, pay a visit to the left sidebar of your inbox. This is where your labels and folders are displayed. Should you wish to create a custom label for even more organization, notice the small plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to create a new label. After clicking the icon, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to name your new label. Think about what purpose this label will serve. Maybe it's for an ongoing project or a specific client. Once you've chosen an appropriate name, go ahead and click Create. With that, you're all set to explore and navigate your newly organized Gmail inbox. By setting up these tabs and labels, you've taken a major step toward achieving a clutter-free and efficient email environment. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in organizing your Gmail experience.